If you want to enable web apps in Microsoft Edge, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact steps in just a moment. Web apps can make your browsing experience much more useful by letting sites behave more like apps, and turning this setting on is simple once you know where to look. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. From there, choose Settings. This will open the main Edge settings page, where you can customize different parts of the browser. On the left-hand side, find and click Privacy, Search, and Services. This section controls many of the browser's privacy and site-related features, so this is the right place to continue. Now scroll down until you find Site Permissions. Click on that option to open all the controls related to what websites are allowed to do inside Edge. Inside Site Permissions, look for All Permissions and open that section. This area shows the full list of site-based permissions that Edge can manage. Now search through the list until you find Web Apps. When you see the Web Apps toggle, turn it on. Once the switch is enabled, Microsoft Edge will allow web apps to work properly, giving you access to a smoother, more app-like experience with supported websites. That's all there is to it. You've now enabled web apps in Edge in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.